TV box.
I'm sure you don't know how to use Twitter, man.
Oh, listen, my little brother does that, bro. Good done, James.
Joe, show us the bus. Show us a little bit of the bus.
Come on, dude. Wanna see my whip for the day? This is where we got the women. See the bounce? FIFA. Who wants to play FIFA 18? Just come out, limited edition, Team Fury only. Give us a gift. We cut Jesse Lingard out though. We got him in.
This is awesome.
Great bus this, James, isn't it? This is the same bus my friends use. Not long, James, now, innit? Weigh in.
Weigh in. A little bit of FIFA 18 before. Fury style.
Forward. I'm just doing an interview. I'm in a new bus and I'm watching FIFA. I'll give you a call back when I'm done. I'm getting famous right now. I'll speak soon.
Tell us about the mood within the Fury camp then, Joe. How's everyone sort of feeling today?
There's a lot of pressure, there's a lot of tense, you know. It's good, to be honest. You just got to relax, haven't you? Relax, take it easy, have the fun, games, jokes, family, friends. The support is major. The support's nice, to be honest. But obviously now, we've got the weigh in. My nerves are getting worse and worse. I think I might turn to the drink in a minute. I might just get on it. You'll see me Sunday morning past out. What happened, James? What happened? Who won? You!
What does it mean to you to get a chance to see your brother become heavyweight world champion?
Everything. Everything in the world. I give everything up just so he could have this moment. It means everything to everybody.
How hard have him and Peter worked through his life to get to this point, Joe?
They have been through some struggles, James. You know, there's been some screaming matches in the gym. There's been Yui crying in tears. There's been a lot of heartache and a lot of struggle. So now he's come to this moment, and you know about his skin, don't you? You know, look how it's cleared up now. He's more than ready for anything. So now he's at this moment, I think everybody deserves it. And I think when he lifts that belt up, it's going to be emotional for not only us, Tyson, everybody. It's going to be a big, big, once-in-a-lifetime thing. It's not, listen, it's not every day you get to attend 2 World Championship boxing matches from the same family. One in Dusseldorf, which was amazing, and one in Manchester, our hometown.
Huey got a chance to meet the Manchester United squad today. We saw photos of your dad, Peter Fury, with Jose Mourinho.
That was a boss picture, wasn't it?
What's it like? What's it like to have this sort of honour and accolade for the Furies, to get invited to these sort of places and to mix with some of your heroes?
Listen, obviously you look back and you see them. Manchester United's always been a Fury thing, so we've supported them from day one. But you look back and he's doing it now, and he's not just meeting that, he's one of them, isn't he? He's the same level. So I think once he wins this title tomorrow, he'll prove a lot of people wrong. Not only fans, but in the boxing industry as well. So I think, you know, as soon as it turned into fight week, I think Tony Ballew, Eddie Hearn, Dillian fucking White, yeah. All of them had faces like smacked asses. I think Dillian White promised his whole crew that this fight, not Dillian White, Eddie Hearn promised his whole crew that this fight wasn't going to happen. The businessman. Hey, so now I think they're all crying, you know. So I think Huey's going to lift this belt not only for his fans but for his haters, more importantly.
All right, well, I'm going to leave you to play a bit of FIFA 18.
Well, we've got on fast forward. I don't know what's happening, James. I'm teaching you. You can stay in the van.
All right, I'm going to play some myself. I'll see you in a bit, boys.